In this video, I am testing the idea of insulated wooden box to carry baked sweets from your kitchen to your friend's party.
We have ignition.
I am using design thinking method, but this time I am not explaining every single step. If you want to know more about design thinking process, check this video. The problem I'm solving is about carrying muffins and cupcakes from place A to B without messing up the frosting. I have also written down my research of who is having this problem and why is this problem worth solving. In ideation stage, I have brainstormed some ideas, evaluated them and picked the one with the highest potential. Now I'm going to draw some prototype sketches, but first I need to set up some basic criteria about this product. It has to be good looking, made from safe materials, light so it's easy to carry it around, insulated well and simple to use. Build plan is made, so let's have some fun. The prototype is here. Now we have to bake some muffins to test this baby out. I'm pretty happy with testing results, but this prototype needs some improvements like lighter materials, better tray and insulation system, and so on. Next step is of course to improve the prototype based on feedback from potential users. At the end, let's talk about costs. It took roughly 25 hours of labor work and material cost was 33 euros and 69 cents. Now it's up to you to make the move. Upload your prototypes on Instagram and tag me so I can see your masterpieces. Let me know your thoughts in comment below about this problem. Is it worth solving and why? Anyway, thumbs if you like this video, don't forget to sub if you loved it. See you in the next one.